Hi everyone, I'm Bruce Swartz. Thanks so much. I hope you're enjoying your weekend so far. It goes by so fast. Saturday morning, we had more than unpleasant windstorm yesterday. 2 deaths in Ontario, actually. And yeah, the wind was recorded at 126 kilometers an hour. Now listen, no, we're not talking about hurricane winds, of course, but there wasn't a hurricane. I mean, everything that was loose in my yard, and yes, the barbecue again, smashed on the ground. It's never happened before, but the wind's been pretty crazy. So the electricity's been on and off today too. This is a new view, of course, a close-up view of the surface of the moon, and we're going to be looking at many different magnification techniques, and this one in particular, 360-degree projection, equi-rectangular view. I'm not hiding it. I'm going to tell everyone how this is done, and it's just basically done with the program, right? But you have to get the clearest footage you can, the most definition in it, obviously. So many think the definition is for stars. No, it's for stars and planets. This definition is giving us the outlining of most of the little bumps on the ground here on the surface that we don't usually see and that I have not seen with the 4-inch telescope. many of the craters, if not most of them, they are all connected by these lines. Corridors, it looked like tunnels from here because we're not close enough, probably, perhaps, maybe more symmetrical, than we think. But the surface of the moon has activity. We are seeing colors, we're seeing geometrical shapes. Why would this not all be mentioned in science? Why? It baffles my mind, and I've never understood it. And the proof is there, and it can be seen with smaller telescopes. Everything has its need. A small telescope, large telescopes, so much different things we can do with large and small telescopes while viewing the surface of the moon. We're seeing a lot of detail. We're seeing a lot of hazes and cloud-like areas that are around the craters. And why does every, if not all, craters have something in the center of them? If you see a crater that looks like it has nothing on it, well, you're probably just not close enough, because once you zoom in, you really see the truth, you know? You see exactly what's going on. You see the truth, what's going on there. Look, what is this? Snakehead? No, probably not, but it looks like it. Little objects that are appearing the closer we get to the surface. It looks like a snake head. It's high off the surface. You can see the shadow there. And at times, some of the shadows are not in the right areas. They're actually black structurings, objects that are built that have high contrast, that look black, and that are pressed up against these buildings with bright lights, or objects with bright lights, and leaving you wonder what the heck is on the surface. This is a nice view of the surface, and I'm going to get some more up, guys. I'm processing more of the same footage I had, of course, but it's recent footage in April and areas you haven't seen. See? Zooming in like this in the footage, taking the time to see what's going on everywhere. Look at the detail. Thanks a lot, everyone.